In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install macOS on HP ProBook without having a MacBook. So let's get started. Let's go over the things we need. First, your HP ProBook, Hackintosh computer account, flash drive, which is 8GB or more, then Transmac. First, we're going to download the macOS image. So head on to Hackintosh computer website and create an account, then download the image. The download links are provided in the description below. Now we're going to download Transmac to use to burn the image to the flash drive. So after downloading, download the HP ProBook ELITEBOOK package. But since we're running ProBook, only in the ProBook, but download the full package. Then the Clover EFI bootloader, then Clover bootloader files. This last file is only for those whose PC is running Intel HD 3000 graphics. If your ProBook is running Intel HD 4000 upward, you don't need this last file. So as you can see, I have downloaded everything and gathered them in a folder and named it Mojave files or Mojave files. Mojave. So open Transmac. Make sure you run as an administrator. So run Transmac as administrator. Select your flash drive. Then right click. Then select restore disk image. Browse for the bootable image you downloaded and click open. Let it finish restoring. So once the restore is complete, now we want to copy the files we downloaded that we're going to make use of in the post installation to the flash drive. So that will be all with the pre-installation. If this video was helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe.